Hello, good morning. Good
Morning.
Good
morning, all.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very
Morning,
good morning.
sir.
Again. Good morning. Very good morning. So, yeah, I know that this is not. Yeah. How are you all?
Good, sir.
Good. Yeah, you saw your marks, everyone?
28.5, sir.
Yeah.
Why? Why previous second last question you cut mark?
You saw the answer? See the answer.
Sir!
What?
Edric, be happy. You at least got 28 half out of 30. I got 10 half out of 30. You are the one in the class had the toppest, highest mark, right?
Yeah, but my mom is scolding me.
So you check na, where you reduce, where the marks you lose. Okay, I will show you your answer sheet. Give me a second. I believe I didn't delete it. Hmm. Okay, now we'll check the question paper also. So I will do one thing. It's not working. Okay, so first we will discuss the question paper, then we'll check that what problem, what mistakes you did. Okay, so everyone has their own answer sheet. So
Yes, carbon, sir.
yeah, okay, we have the question. Now first, why does the carbon form covalent bond? Why it form? Because it cannot make cations and it cannot make anions. Okay, now Ira, what answer you wrote in this?
Wait, I wrote valence. Carbon has a valency of 6, 2 in the inside shell and 4 in the outside shell, and hence will need 4 more electrons with another element. I didn't write the cation and anion bond.
Yeah, because cations like carbon goes for the covalent bonding because it cannot make ion bonds. And why it's not able to make ion bond? Because uh, he cannot make cation as well as he cannot make anion. So these are the reason for that. Got it, everyone? So, like for cation, carbon has to release 4 electrons. Okay, carbon has to release what? How many electrons? 4 electrons. Now, in that, it uses lot of energy, and even the uses lot of energy, but still, the combination, like if it will lose 4 electrons, 2 electrons are left, and 6 protons are there. This is very unstable condition for it. Like you have to explain it, guys. Even though it is 1 mark question, but you have to explain it well. Okay? Yes
Sir,
or
so
no?
like how much to be explained? Like to be a cation or an anion, there's a lot of energy consumed.
Yeah. So you have to write it like this. Like the answer of this is will be that carbon cannot go for the cation. Why? Because carbon has the electronic configuration of 2 comma 4. If it will go for the cation, it loses all 4 electrons, and left behind 2 electrons and 6 protons, which is very unstable condition for that. And if carbon goes for the anion, it means that it can get 4 electrons. So in the next point and in the next paragraph, you can write it like this. Agatha, can you shift your camera a little bit left? Yeah. So it cannot gain 4 electron also, because if it will gain 4 electrons, so in that carbon, it has 6 electrons, 4 electrons it will get, makes 10 electrons and 6 protons in the nucleus, which is also a very unstable condition. So it cannot go for the cation, it cannot go for the anion, hence it go for the covalent bonding. This is the answer of that.
So we must like explain it.
Yeah, you have to explain it, guys. If you're not explaining it, you will not get full marks.
Is it 2 marks?
I know this is not 1 mark question. I know this. This is not 1 mark question, like it should come in 3 or 4 marks question. But still, you have to explain it well. You can't write free electrons or this thing. Like everyone except Edric, everyone wrote that one. Where is that? Now even Edric write covalent bond. I think why are the covalent compounds a poor conductor of electricity? Now everyone wrote free electron, free electron, free electron. Free electron is not the answer of that, guys. See, free electrons, like what we talk about the free electrons in diamond or in graphite. Okay, graphite has free electrons and diamond doesn't have free electrons. That's why graphite is able to conduct the electricity. In covalent bonding, as we know that they are not ionic bonding, they can't make ions, and ions are responsible for the conduction of electricity. So in covalent bonding, ionic compound are not able to make, like ionic compounds are not there, hence there is no cation and there is no anion, hence they will not go for the they do not conduct electricity. Simple. Got it?
Which question is that?
14th second part. Yeah, Trick. What mistake you did? You got it?
So like we cannot say no free electron.
No, it's not about free electron. It's about that they do
What?
not form ions.
What did I do, sir?
Uh,
Either covalent compounds are poor conductors of electricity because the bond here is not strong enough to hold the atoms firmly except graphite. Ionic compounds are good conductors of electricity because the ionic bond is far stronger than the covalent bond.
it's not about strongest or it's not about the weakest. It's not like that. It's about the formation of ions or not formation of ions. That's why I reduces remarks. Okay.
So like here, so like
Uh.
we should write like why can't it like why there is like what should we write here actually?
Where why the carbon and compounds are the poor conductor of electricity?
Yeah, because there's no
Okay.
free electron or all electrons
No.
are taken, right?
Not about the electrons. I'm repeating again. It's not about the electrons. It's about the formation of ions. Like we know that carbon does not make any ions. I mean, carbons go for the covalent bonding, na? And the covalent bond doesn't form any ions. Ions are responsible for the conduction of electricity. Hence, these are the poor conductor of electricity. Simple. So
Isha,
it's not
what,
about.
you can continue.
Yeah. So there is, like, the answer will be there is no formation of ions. Like there is no cation, there is no anion, hence they do not conduct electricity. Simple. This is the answer. Okay. Everyone got it? Now we'll go to the
So
second
the diagram
question.
was not needed like I drew.
No, that is needed. That is the first part. No, second part I'm telling.
Okay.
I'm telling the answer of the second part, not the first part. Yeah, Miracle.
So can you make a PDF of all like answers and send it of these questions?
Yeah. So, like, if you will check the Edric's answer sheet, it all have perfect answers except one part. And the one part I wrote it here, the formation, there is no formation of ion. So you can check it out. You can find it out what mistakes we did. Okay. So we have address answer sheet in the group. You can check it out and you can find it out. Okay. Now, what is catenation? Catenation is the property of a. Now, everyone, please pay attention. David, turn on your camera. Catenation is the property of a carbon to make a long chain. To make a long chain because of its small size. This is the property of catenation. What is the molecular formula of methane? Now, everyone did a lot of mistake in that. Now, what is meth? Meth, like we know that meth, eth, prop. Now, meth stands for one. That means that one carbon is only there. And
Yeah.
because it's the ane, means all have single bond. So it will, what is the formula
Yes.
for that? Now, Miraculin just wrote the formula. There is no right to formula. You have to write the compound.
Okay, one.
Like P1 H 2 into 1 plus 2 means double plus 2. So C1 H4. So this will be the methane. Some wrote CH3OH. Why, Ira? And in the down, when they ask about the methane, you wrote the CH4.
Yeah, I got confused with the methanol acid.
Yeah, I actually, well, in the next one, write the IUPAC name of CH4. I was in a hurry of revising. I took methane CH4 for methanol CH4.
Yeah. And even butanoic, some wrote butane also, CH4. Who wrote? Who wrote butane? Ira.
I don't.
Why, Ira? There is
I got
C is only one.
confused. When I saw the paper, I got stressed out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Did you understand? Are you getting your mistakes, guys? No.
Yeah.
Got
Okay.
it, sir.
Now, what is homologous series? Homologous series is a series in which, now this is the problem. Like somebody wrote, it has similar chemical properties. No, it's wrong. Yeah, it's correct. They have different physical property.
I think I wrote that.
Yeah. So homologous series is a series in which that two compounds have the difference of CH2, CH2, CH2. Okay. Like
How's
if
that
I will
different?
talk about CH4, C2H6, C3H8, and so on. So in this, everyone has a difference of CH2. This also have difference of CH2. So like they are in the one same family, but in each family members, they have the difference of CH2. So we have 4 types we learn: alkene, alkane, alkyne. These are the families like that. Okay. Everyone got this?
So homologous series is just the difference.
Yeah. So the series of a molecule of a carbon in which the difference is CH2, 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 which have the similar chemical properties but different physical properties.
So that's it on the homologous series.
Yeah, this is called as homologous series. Okay. Now, what is the IUPAC name of CH4? The IUPAC name of CH4 is butane. Yes, Ira? Yeah, methane. Because one carbon is there, no? That is why it is called as methane. Everyone has to think. Okay, esterification. Esterification is basically, I guess, it's there in the book, just a small line. Okay. So esterification, like if I will talk about the esterification, is forming of ester. Ester is like a fruity smell like structure, which is used in perfumes. Like where like perfumes has that fruity smell like structure. That is called as esterification, is formation of ester. Ester is formed when ethanoic acid and ethanol is added up and they react each other. Yes, Agatha.
When I checked in the phone, they say something like ester. Ester is like fat and oil. And when that
Yeah.
fat and oil is like, what is it? The fat and oil is, yeah, it is an organic compound replaced by hydrogen. So ester is like an organic compound replacing that hydrogen, right?
Replacing a hydrogen, that is not fully correct. Okay,
Hydrogen of
it
an
is,
acid, that's what I said, by an
yeah,
alkyl or other organic group.
Yeah, that other organic group, the organic group which react in the presence of acid is basically ethanol and ethanoic acid. Okay, if write it down in your copy, on the top of your copy. Okay, ester is formed by the reaction of ethanol and ethanoic acid. It is a fruity like smell. Okay, which is used in perfume. This is the answer. It is a
Ester is
fruity like
formed.
smell by
Ester is
the
formed.
reaction of ethanol and ethanoic acid, by the reaction of ethanol and ethanoic acid.
Ethanoic acid.
Okay, this is the first thing. And the second thing is, it is a fruity like smell used in perfume.
So
Okay,
this
now, uh,
ester is used in perfumes, basically.
yeah, ester is used in perfume. Now, tetravalency. Now, many of the students wrote this also wrong. Tetra means four, valency means valency. So, carbon has four valency so that it can make four bonded atoms, so that it can share the electrons with four other atoms. It is called as tetravalency. So,
Sir,
tetra, now you have to explain it well. Okay, how will you explain it well? So, you have to start it like this. Carbon has a atomic number 6, electronic configuration is 2 comma 4. In the outermost shell it has 4 electrons, hence carbon has a valency of 4. So this thing you have to, and after that you have to write that because it has 4 electrons, it can make bond with other 4 atoms, hence it is called as tetravalency. This is the answer.
So tetravalency is just so tetravalency is just something of a compound with 4 electrons as its
Yeah,
valency.
yeah, at its outermost shell, which is valence shell. Yes, Edric.
sir,
Edric,
so,
yeah.
tetravalency means tetravalency means the valency of the carbon is 4, and you don't explain tetravalency of carbon. No, so I wrote the entire thing because of its valency. It is not able to donate or receive 4 electrons to attain stability, so it forms covalent bonds by sharing electron with other atoms.
Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. There won't be any problem. Okay, but if it is in short and simple, then you have to check the marks also. It is 2 marks question, no? So in 2 marks question, you can't write that whole chemistry in that 2 marks question. So you have to, yeah, many like Agatha has this, and David and Miracle. Uh, you have to check the marks. If it is 2 marks question, you have to write minimum 4 to 5 lines. You have to elaborate it. You have to add some word. See, if it is 1 mark question, it gonna be like you are eating a one chapati. Okay, that chapati, one chapati. 2 marks, you have to eat more, na. So in
Two
the same way,
chapati.
you have to write more. You have to write two chapati. For 2 marks, you have to eat two chapati. Means you have to write more and more. You need
And
more
for
energy to
three,
write it back.
for 3 marks,
3 marks, three chapati. So what I'm trying to say, if you want to get good marks, you have to use your more energy on writing. Don't do any conjuice, like in this college conjuice, like I don't want to do anything. Only this much only I can. This is the thing. Okay. Okay. Now the name. Now how many carbon is there? 3 carbon is there. Everyone has single bond. 3 means prop. Prop means propane. Now, some wrote this is as propanoic acid. Why Miraculin? Propanoic acid. How many carbons are there? 1 and 2 carbon are there. 2 stands for
Yeah.
H. Ethanoic acid will be.
Oh, I I added that OH also, so I thought it is 3 carbons.
Mm. Now, ethene. Eth means 2 carbons and they have double bonds. So this will become ethene. And Agatha, you have to write the H atoms also.
Okay.
Okay. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is there above one. Is the ethanoic acid. What is soap? Soap is the long chain of carbon. Okay. Explain its cleaning. So this is not in your course, so it's okay. I give just normal marks in that. Okay. Now
Sir,
write
so I
your
wrote
name.
I wrote myself. Like myself are like some ball-like structures with hydrophobic tail and hydrophilic head. I learned
Yeah.
it somewhere. Myself is it's another structure, ball-like structure.
Now, what are the first four members of a alkane? So first four member is ethane, sorry, methane, ethane, propane. Now, David wrote the wrong molecular formula. Why, David? These are the first four: CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. So this is the first. This is called as methane, ethane, propane, butane. Right, the two characteristics of a homologous series. The characteristics is first they are differ by the CH2. The second one is they have the similar chemical properties but different physical properties.
So, what you wrote on the board, that's the answer, right? The CH4s.
Yeah, this is the four first members of the alkane family.
So, I think I wrote that only.
Somebody wrote, I guess, like they wrote CH2 and then CH6, something like this. CH2.
So, but the
H8.
molecular formula in this, you circled it in red.
Yeah, that is wrong, no? Like this
Yeah,
is
but
meth. Like methane is this. Check
yeah,
it. CH4.
yeah,
Now C2H6 is ethane. Is it like that only you
yeah.
wrote?
Uh, okay, I
What
wrote.
what you wrote?
Yeah, yeah. I wrote CH2H6 by mistake.
Well, yeah. And what is propane you wrote?
Yeah, okay, I made that same mistake. Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to check it also. Like guys, if you will complete under the time, you have to check it also. You have to revise your paper also, so that you did some mistakes or
I
not.
finished it in less than an hour.
Yeah. Yes, Agatha. You're saying something.
Like,
Hmm.
so the alkane group is CH4 and like that.
Yeah. What is the alkane? Alkane formula is
CnH2n. I mean CnH2n plus 2, right?
+2. This is the now
Double
first
plus-
four member means first like n value will be 1 and then second member will be 2. Then you have to write it down like C1 H2 into 1 plus 2. It will become CH4.
Okay.
So
Then
double
C2 H6 like how 2 2 ja 4 like double plus 2 na.
Yeah.
so
So it will
sir,
become C2H6. Then C3H8. Then C4H10 like this. It will be there no. Now first member is methane, then ethane, then propane, and then butane.
Okay.
Miraculin also didn't attempt most of the theory part questions. Why?
Like I was confused, sir. That's why.
So we'll do one thing. I will take one more test on the Saturday, not on the Friday
for whom?
of this chapter only.
For whom?
Okay? Yeah. Yes, Edric, you're saying something.
Sir,
Hmm.
basically, so alkane is double plus 2, right?
Yeah, double plus 2
Then alkene?
is double, and alkyne is double minus 2.
Yes, sir. Got it now.
Yeah. So explain the formation of ethane. Now, who did wrong? I guess Ira.
I knew what was wrong, but I didn't know how to do it properly.
I draw the real one in near it, no?
I'll copy it down after class.
So
Yeah.
you gave 1.5 for me on that one, and on this
Yeah. What is the second part answer you wrote?
covalent compounds are poor conductors of electricity because they lack free electrons.
Yeah. Same thing. Free electron is not the answer. The answer is that they does not have ions. Like they do not have ions, cations, and anions. Okay. So that is why the problem is that only.
So basically, you didn't even teach free electrons in this chapter. You only taught free electrons in electricity chapter.
And even the free electrons I taught, it is the difference between the diamond and graphite which I taught. See, diamond also form covalent bond and graphite also form covalent bond. But graphite conduct electricity and diamond does not. They, even though they both have covalent bond between them. Now that reason is free electrons. Graphite has free electron and diamond doesn't have. But covalent and ionic, covalent bond generally do not conduct electricity. Why? Because of no presence of ions. That is the reason. Like they do not have cations or anions between them. That is why they are not able to conduct electricity.
So like in actual terms, covalent bonds cannot conduct electricity if there's no ions.
Yeah, there is
Only
no
for
ion.
only for diamond and graphite, there's something like a free electron.
Okay. Now IUPAC name. Now who wrote methanoic acid in this? I think nobody, no? Like this is ethanoic acid that we have above, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. Some wrote propane also. I think David wrote.
Sir, I wrote the first one CH2COOH as ethanoic acid.
And the second one? Second one?
Second one is methyl butane. That's the only one you gave a cut for.
Why methyl? Why methyl? It is
Because
longest
there's
carbon
some
chain.
CH3 too. I don't know.
This is the longest carbon chain. There is no carbon other than the longest carbon chain. Got it, Agatha? No.
Yeah.
Sir,
I thought that the methyl is like one bond. So since they have one bond, there should be a methyl.
No. There is nobody, no carbon is there outside the longest carbon chain. Then why alkyl group will come?
so why in this test paper you didn't add alkyl groups?
Yeah, alkyl group, na. So yeah, I thought that let it be little bit easy. The test should be a little bit easy. That's why I didn't do this.
Oh, thank you, sir.
But this Saturday there will be the level up of this test. So
Who should
prepare
write
well.
this? Who should write?
Everyone.
Except?
No except.
Sir, but Saturday I'm not free, sir. Saturday, Sunday I'm not free. So
I will send the test paper. You guys have to send it me by Saturday 7 or Saturday 9.
sir, I'm not free on Saturday, sir. I can only do it on Monday or Tuesday.
Or I will do one thing that I will send Friday after the class.
Oh, okay, sir. Friday is fine. But
Friday after the class.
So I have a accounts this on Friday.
Yeah, I also have accounts on Friday.
So you can do one thing, na. You have time till Saturday. Saturday morning 10 you can, morning 12 you can send it me. Like mid 10, 12. Okay. So I will send the test after the Friday. So after Friday till 12 afternoon you can send me the test. Okay.
So you're taking another test on this chapter. Why?
Because everyone does not perform good. And now I have to level up this test paper also. Like this was very easy. That's why.
Next one will be medium or hard or impossible difficulty.
Impossible.
and sir, so
Yeah.
Friday, so
Sir,
Yeah.
you said like graphite, diamond, and what is that? And that Bucky, I forgot that. Yeah. And that
Buckminster.
Bucky Minister fluorine would come in the exam, but I didn't find a single question of that.
Yeah, I mean, thank you for reminding David. We'll do this in this exam.
Sir, so Friday is the exam, right?
Yeah, Friday I will send. You guys can do it till Saturday. So till Saturday 12 afternoon you can send it me. Okay, so what we were doing? Chapter number 17, no?
17 we finished, sir.
Yeah,
17
we finished.
we were starting the new chapter. Which chapter? Can you tell me?
Chapter 16.
I did.
Chapter 16. Okay, so we'll do one thing now. You guys can take 2 minutes break, then we'll start the science class only directly. Because we don't have time. So science is most important. Like we have more chapter in science. So like one chapter is there, so tomorrow we can do the maths one. Okay. So because one chapter is left in maths, so after 2 minutes come back, we will have our science class directly. And in science, we will do the work and energy, and then we'll start the new chapter also today only.
Sir, so Friday is a class.
Yeah, Friday there will be class. After class only, I will give the test.
So Friday I'll write the test, but I have accounts test also on Friday, and Saturday I have PCP class. Sunday I need to go to church. So what do I do?
Okay, if you get time, then send it me by Saturday. If you don't have time, you can send it on Monday.
Monday I have another test. Huge.
So can I send it on Saturday evening?
Yeah, you can send it me by Saturday evening. So everyone has a deadline of Saturday evening 5. So Edric, whenever you get time, just do it. No, like you can do it. Like it's not too much time it will take. Try to do it.
Sir,
If it is not, then Tuesday you have time. Then what we can do? Yes, Agatha.
okay. In the chapter of that second chapter, like in the text question 17.3 third question and terminal exercise 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, I have some doubts. Like I solved others except for the text question 3, but then when I looked into after terminal exercise, the answer is a bit different and all.
Okay, let me check. Which question?
I mean, for syntax questions, 17.3 third question didn't do that.
Page number? Can you tell me the page number?
Don't know the page number. It's right.
17.3,
Why
na?
he just reached the 17.3. Yeah, the third question, like
Third question you have doubt, no? This one.
yeah, and also the first question, I don't know, did I really solve the like explain it properly?
First question.
Yeah, so
Okay, so in the first question, if this is like this is PQ, PQ is the chord which have same same PQ makes the angle with tangent and same PQ makes the chord on B. So this is it means that angle A will be equals to angle B. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Now this is a triangle. So from this we can conclude that that angle A is equals to angle B because of alternative segment theorem. Okay, AST. I wrote it like this. Okay. Okay. Now in this triangle, in triangle POQ, we know that angle Q is 40. Same is as angle P will also be 40. Why? Because POQ is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Why isosceles triangle? Because PO is equals to OQ. Got it?
Yeah.
So in isosceles triangle, the opposite angles will be equal. So if this is 40, then this is also 40.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Now 40 plus 40 is 80 and 80 is big 80 and this will become 100 because of angle sum property.
Yeah.
And if it is 100, then the same PQ chord makes angle in the center and the same PQ chords make angle on the circumference will be half. So it means that this will be 50. Got it, Agatha? No.
Yeah, got it.
And if this is 50, then this is also 50.
So wait, so so the angle of RPQ, so angle of RPQ is 40, right?
RPQ. No, RPQ, no. OPQ.
Okay, then like how do you get 50 like up there?
Okay. See, this OPQ is 40. Got it? Now in triangle OPQ. OPQ, what is the angle sum property? Angle O plus angle P plus angle Q is equals to 180.
Yeah.
So what will be the angle O? This one.
And yeah, I know 100.
It will be 100. Perfect. Now if it is 100, so we learn one theorem. If a chord subtend the angle in the center will be double of the angle subtended by the same chord in the circumference. We have that theorem. Like if this is a chord, it subtend the angle in the center. Okay, it will be the half of, like it will be double of the angle subtended by the circumference. If the same chord is there, so in the same way, PQ is the same chord which makes the angle in the center, which is O, and PQ is the same chord which makes the angle on the circumference, which is B. It means that if this is 100, then this will become half of it, which is 50.
Yeah.
And if this is 50, then this is also 50 because of alternated segment theorem.
Okay.
Got it?
So this is all we have to explain.
Yeah. This is all we have to explain. Okay.
So I had a question about terminal exercise.
What?
Terminal exercise, sir.
Yeah. So you have a question in question number 3 also?
Yeah, question number 3 and question number 6.
Yeah.
Terminal or this one? Intex.
No, terminal exercise.
Terminal question number 3. Okay, so we have this thing. Now in this we have to if angle if AB is equals to BC. Okay, I'll draw this diagram.
Jeshuran. Whenever I say David Agatha, Jeshuran will make fun of me.
Okay, we have this figure. Okay, and it is given that this is O. This is O. Okay. Now we have this chord, like AB is the diameter then because it is passing through the center of the circle. Then it means that this whole angle will become 90. This whole become what? 90.
How?
Because we learn that diameter, if it is going like this and if it is makes the angle on the circumference, then this is 180 and will become half of it, which will become 90. In the same way, this is a diameter and it is making the angle on the circumference this one, then this will become half of it, which will become 90. Okay, and we know that this is BC. Everyone please pay attention. This is BC. BC chords makes the angle on D and same BC chord makes the angle on A. So it means that this angle and this angle both are equal because it is created by the same chord. Got it?
So
Yeah.
it's saying that AC is equal to BC, so that means X is equal to angle A.
AC is equals to
BC.
BC. Yeah.
So angle A and angle X would be same equal and angle
Very,
Z also.
yeah, this one, na, huh?
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say, this will become angle X also. Why? Because AC is equals to BC. Okay. So that is also thing, and angle C, angle Z is also equals to angle X. Okay. Why? Why angle Z is equals to angle X? Because see, the chord BC makes the angle on D like this. Yes or no? In the same way, the same chord BC makes the angle on A. So it means that angle X and angle Z, they both are equal. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, we know that x plus 90 is equals to 180 because of angle sum property. Agatha, are you there? Got it? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
That will become 2x is equals to 90, x is equals to 45. It means that this is 45 and this is also 45.
So why
Sir,
is it 45 then?
sir, then,
Huh?
sir,
Yes,
how is
Dave.
how is angle Z equal to angle X?
Okay, so we'll do like this. See, okay, now listen. Listen, everyone. See, this is the chord. Okay. It makes on angle circumference this much, this
Yes.
one.
Yes, sir.
And the
Yes.
same chord makes the angle on the circumference. So it means that these both angle will be equal.
Yes, sir.
Now in this case also, BC is the chord. This BC is the chord. It makes the angle on circumference, which is D, this one. And BC is the same chord, which makes the angle on the circumference, which is A, this one. So these two angles will be equal.
And then how come for A and B the angles is equal? Angle A and B both are X.
Yeah,
I
because
saw
in the question it is given that these both side AC and BC both are equal.
And AB is the diameter, no? So that means the X, both of the triangle ACO and BCO are congruent.
No, it's not about congruent part which we are doing. See, we know that these two, this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles
Yes.
triangle in
Yes,
which this side and this side is equal. So opposite angles are also equal. So it means that if this is x, then this will also become x. And we know that this is the diameter, and diameter, if makes the angle on the circumference, will become the half of it, which is, this is 180, and 180 half is 90. So this will become 90.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, that I know. And now we need to find the y. We need to find y.
So this is
Wha-
45. Then this is also 45. Angle Z is also 45, because the theorem which we learned that angles created by the same chord on the circumference are equal.
So y also will be 45.
Yeah, y will also be 45 because of alternative segment theorem.
Like because of this, because the p. I mean, wait, z. Wait.
So,
Here.
sir, so angle y is equal to angle z, right?
Yeah, because of alternating segment theorem.
That
What
means
the
all.
alternating segment theorem says that if a chord makes the angle with the tangent, and if the same chords make the angle on the circumference, so these two angles are equal.
That means all x, y, and z are 45.
Perfect. Nobody got this?
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. Now, what question you were saying? Sixth one.
Yes, sir.
Sixth one you're saying, no? If angle ABC okay, we have this figure. In this, it is given that if angle ABC is 70, this is 70, then find BOC. We have to find this angle. Okay. Okay. So now this is 70, then this is also 70. Okay, ABC is full. Okay, sorry, my bad. This whole is 70, and this is 35, and this is 35. Anything else is given? BC, B. DOC. Find BOC, you have to find.
It says OBC plus OCB is equal to half of
This is 90.
ABC plus ACB. Yeah. Because
Sir, angle ABC and angle ACB equal are the same, right?
Yeah, say it again.
Is angle ABC and angle ACB the same?
How?
Well, because isosceles triangle theorem.
It's not mentioned, no?
sir, the angle BOC is twice of angle BAC.
BAC. BOC.
BOC.
No.
But
How?
theorem. The
It's not
theorem.
a chord.
BOC is twice of.
It's BQC is not a chord, no.
It's a tangent, no?
It's a
That
tan.
is chord theorem.
So, but how is it? How is angle ABO 35?
I will tell. I will tell.
Oh, because.
Like you did this above one, no? Everyone did the fifth one? Hello? Who did the fifth one? Yes, Agatha. So in fifth one, what answer you got?
So, 4.5 centimeters.
Like this is 4, and then QB is 5, and you have to find the length of QC. So this is 4 and this is 4.
You got
Okay,
QC
this
as
is
a
5 and this
4.5.
is 5. This is X and this is X.
Yeah.
So you get 9 plus 4 plus X plus 5 plus X is equals to how much? 27. So it will become 18 plus 2X is equals to 27. So X is equals to 4.5 you got. So it means that this is 4.5 and this is also 4.5. 9.5, this is 9,
So
8.5.
so isn't that 8 plus 4? I mean 8 plus 10 plus 2x.
Why 8? 9 plus 9, no, this is 9 and this is 4 plus 5, 9. This
9
is
plus 9
18.
is equals to 8 plus 10 only, no?
Yes, I got it. I added a whole different way.
Mm-hmm. It's not isosceles triangle also. Then for the length of QC, this is 35. No, QC I got. QC I got, which is 4.5. If A, B, C, this is 35, 35. It will become 18 and 29. That is correct. One angle is missing in this. Is it cos 1? Cos 1 is also not there. Like this will become 90,
Sir is using trigonometry.
55, become 55. Then this is 120. OBC plus OCP. How will you find this ACB? That is my question. No, 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 no. Mm. Is the question is incomplete? Okay, let me check this. Let me check this. I will do it one more time.
So when you do the line from O to Q,
Say it again loudly.
when you drew the line from O to Q, did the angle BOC get this divided in half equally?
No, it can't. It can't. It
Okay.
can't. 35 BAC APC 17. Okay, let me do it, then I will explain it.
But it's saying ABC plus ACB, not ACB plus BAC.
Yeah. But again, Oh my God. I guess some information is not given. Like if I will substitute, then again I will get this thing. I will try at home one more time because it should like if it is like this is something like 70, na, then I can do like this is 35, this is 35, this is 35, this is 35, this is 90, then this will become something and like 91. I guess some information is not given in this. Let me check one more time, then I will let you know. Okay, next question.
So could you do question number 9 also?
Yeah. Yeah, so we have this information in which PA is 4, AB is 5, and PT we have to find which is X. So we have this relation that PA into AB, no, PA into PB, sorry. PA into PB is equals to PT square. And PA is 4, PB is 9, is equals to PT square. 36 is equals to PT square. PT is equals to root of 36. PT is equals to 6. So we got the answer is 6.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. More questions?
This is based on what theory?
This is which one? Ninth one?
Yeah.
Ninth one is that this one. I'll tell you. Here is this. PA into PB is equals to PT square. When a chord and a secant meet outside the circle, the relationship is this. Yeah. More questions? I guess that question number 6 is not valid. The information is not given.
And question number 7.
Question number 7. Question number 7. This one. Okay. So in this we have PA is x plus 3. PB is x minus 3. PD is 3. And PC is 16 by 3. Okay. So we have this relation PA into PB is equals to PD into PC. Okay, when chord meet inside. Now PA is x plus 3. So it is x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by 16 by 3. 3 and 3 will cut. Now it is in the form of x square like a plus b, a minus b, which is a square minus b square, which is x square minus 3 square, which is 9, is equals to 16. X square is equals to 25. X is equals to root of 25, which x is equals to 5. Now PA is 5 plus 3, which is 8. So this will become 8, and this will become 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. More doubts? Nobody has doubt?
Maybe the 8th one.
The 8th one. Okay. So PA is given, which is 4. You guys can make diagram and just write it down. PB is 9, PC is X, and PD is 4x. So same relation. What is the relation? PA into PB is equals to PC into PD. Now PA is 4 into 9 is equals to x into 4x. So it will become 36 is equals to 4x square. This will go that side, it will divide like this. So 9 is equals to x square. X is equals to root of 9, which is 3. This is the answer.
Okay.
Everyone got this? Any doubt? No doubt? Edric?
No, sir.
Yes, David.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay, I'm coming in 1 minute. Just give me a second.
Eric, I think the sixth one, it is possible to solve it. Maybe the different theorem which we've not learned.
So, like, what are like all the theorems in?
No, it might not be there in the book.
Maybe it might be there in the 12th standard textbook.
Yeah. I don't know. Should I check it on Google? Is it like on how to solve this? Because
You can like take a photo of that
yeah.
the diagram and the question, and then you can take a photo and then ask the ChatGPT guy to solve. ChatGPT.
I'll use Gemini.
Oh yeah, Gemini. Sorry.
Edric, do you think AI can be a very good teacher?
I mean, the AI tools, no, they first no. My dad always uses ChatGPT instead of all other AIs, and my dad says ChatGPT is a really good AI, and that like you can use it for any purpose, like to solve problems or to like get information or like find what's happening in the world right now. You can just ask ChatGPT what to do.
Not a good, very good teacher, but because when I see write songs on that, it doesn't really explain it that much. It's a bit difficult to understand, so that's why.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
if you don't mind, then how about the 10th question?
10th question. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. O is the center, P, B, Q. So as I told you, see,
So
this is the same
POQ
chord
is 80, so
makes the angle on B, and the same chord makes the angle on A. So it means that this is 40, then this is also become 40. And same chord makes the angle on circumference, same chord makes the angle on center. Then if it is 40, then it will become double of it, which is become 80. Okay. So OPY we have to find. Now if this is 80, and we know that this and this angle will sides are equal because of radius, so it will be x, then this will also become x. So it will become 80 plus x is equals to 180. So it will become 2x is equals to 100, x is equals to 50. So that this will become 50. Yeah.
So what OP by be 90?
OPY. Yeah, OPY will be, what's OPY? Yeah, OPY will be 90. This will be 90. But POQ will be 80 because just now we learned. And OPQ, this will become how much? 50. So like this is alternate segment theorem also. Like out of this is 40 because of alternate segment theorem. This is 40, then this will become 50. That's why it become 90. Got it?
But I think
Agatha?
QPY. So QPY is
Yes, sir.
Yeah, QPY is 40. Okay. Now the last topic which is left in our science will complete that. Only last one topic is there. What is the chapter? Chapter number
Chapter number 13.
13. Very good. Work and energy, and the last topic is left. So we'll do the last topic so that we can complete the chapter today, at least today. Okay. Now we'll learn the concept power. What do you mean by power?
Power is a time rate in doing work.
Okay, good. So we'll understand it like this. So everyone please pay attention on the board. Okay, now for example, there is a box. Okay,
This is-
now here we have Ira.
yeah, that is
Okay,
Ira.
and here we have Agatha.
Yeah, Agatha.
Okay, so we have Ira and Agatha in our midst, and they both have boxes.
Yes.
And they both have boxes, so it means that, for example, this is 10 kg, and this is also 10 kg. Okay, now we
Alright.
have this is finish line. This is finish lines. Okay, now Ira, which is AY, and Agatha, which is AG. Okay, now Ira, when pushes the box, she makes it in, like, she completes the finish line in 10 seconds. Okay, in 10 seconds, she push with the force of like 10 Newton, and she completes, okay, not 10 Newton, just not making complicated. What I'm trying to say, that she completes the pushing the 10 kg box in 10 seconds. Okay, but like Agatha, she completed this work in 5 seconds. She completed the work in 5 seconds. So now we have the winner. Obviously, Agatha is the winner. Why? Because she has more power to push the box. That is the meaning of power. Power basically means it. The power means rate of doing work. And whenever the rate will come, you have to divide it by time. So rate of doing work means work by time. So how much time you take to complete the work. It is called as power. If you will take less time, you have more power. If you have take more time, you have less power. Everyone got this? Now the car, like we talk about the car. So who knows about the car?
Power
Like
is rate of work.
Huh?
So
Rate
power
of doing work.
rate of
And the formula is W upon T, means work upon time. Power formula is work upon time. Okay, to complete the work in given time, in unit time. Okay, so we have this thing. Power is defined as the time rate of doing work, that is amount of work done in unit time, and the power unit is watt. What is the unit of power, David?
What?
Yeah, I'm asking this question. What is the unit of power?
What? WATT.
I'm saying now, what is the unit of power? You are saying what? Again, I'm asking or you are asking?
So
What is the unit of power?
WATT.
Yeah. Okay, so we have watt in our midst. I mean, the watt is the power of unit. Okay, so in which we measure the power. Got it, everyone? We have completed chapter. Yes, Miracle, you have doubt?
So this sounds too easy. I mean, are you sure there's nothing like a surprise going on here, like a surprise question?
Which part, beta?
I mean, here it seems too easy. I mean, like this entire thing to the in-text question, it is just this power and its unit.
Yeah, this is the power of unit only. SI
But I
unit
mean,
is.
like, then if you can teach us this within like 1 minute, then it sounds like too easy. Are you sure there's no surprise questions or something?
No, it's not surprise question. But just remember this thing: 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. Like sometimes it in the question it will written that a car produces 10 horsepower. So 10 horsepower means that it produces 10 into 746, which is 7,460.
60.
Miraculin.
Got it.
Okay. Got it, everyone? Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Miraculous.
Is this real horsepower?
Yeah, I mean, it is calculated like watts in horsepower is like that.
So,
Yes, David.
so how do they like where do they get that term horsepower from? Where do they get it from? And why would they name it horsepower?
Maybe like horsepower is like in the ancient time, they like horse has a good power. They run quite bit, so they compare it. I don't know. I don't have the history.
Wait, I'll tell you something. So actually, for horses, no, the horse's kick is very powerful. Whenever the horse kicks you, no, it's very powerful. You
Yeah.
might like go like so far from just because one kick.
Correct.
So 1 horsepower, 746 watt.
Yeah. Okay. So if you don't have any doubt, guys, we have completed this chapter. Tomorrow we'll start new chapter in maths as well as new chapter in science. In science, we will start heredity. In maths, we will start the previous
No
and
No
60.
homework in science?
No homework in science. I mean, you guys can do in-text question. Thanks, David, for reminding. So you guys can do in-text question and terminal questions in this chapter. Okay.
So how many watts is it? 1 horsepower?
1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts.
746.
It's there in your book. You can copy that also. Okay, so yeah, so Miracle remain in the class and let everyone can leave the class. I mean, not leave the class. It's time to say bye bye, good night.
How come Miraculous should stay?
Yeah, I mean, I want to talk something. So everyone can say bye bye to me. Bye.